The limited express Yokohama 15 departing at 14:24 bound for Izumoshi will be leaving from track 4. This train consists of 4 cars. Car 1 is the front of the train and car 4 is the end. Cars 1 through 4 are reserved. Cars 1 is the green car for passengers holding green car seat reservation. Please wait at the location of tags, which are indicated as Yokuno. This train will be stopping at Bichu Takahashi, Nimi, Niu, Unigo, Yasugi, Mitsuo, Tamatsukuri Onsen, and Shinji before arriving at Izumoshi Terminal.
足元安全し、7番で EF210-316 The local train departing at 14:24 bound for Okayama will be leaving from track 5. This train consists of 3 cars. Boarding locations are indicated by circles and numbers 5 through 7. Please hold 2 lines to board the train.